Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2010 Toyota RAV4 stock number 6829. This ran from 11th 2005 to 11th 2012. It has a 2-way ZFE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the 2-way ZFE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch steel wheel with tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 3 dents. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel with tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel with tyre. Right front 17-inch steel wheel with tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front door cone, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, head AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.